I have here a weather radio. I'm gonna open up, take it out, see what it comes with. It comes with a little bag, some cords, and here is the radio. So it comes with a charging cord if it doesn't charge with the solar lights or if it's stored inside. And it comes with a little compass so you can attach to it or keep it separate. So this has headphones so you can listen to music. This has a USB so you can charge your phone, and this is where you're going to charge the unit itself. Right here is the power button. I just turned it on. You can see that has the power right here, and you've got the tune, the volumes here, and then the stations, and then the volumes down here, just like this, which is really nice. So it has an antenna so you can adjust it so you can hear the radio station better. As soon as I pulled it up, I could hear the radio. Right here has an SOS. You click it. And then hold it down again, it turns it off. So if you're in an emergency situation, that would be really good to use. Right here, you can put in some batteries if you want for like a backup method. And then right here, you can crank it to power it up as well, which is really cool. And it also has a little solar panel right here that you can charge in the sun. So it has two different lights. You can pull this one up right here and you can see the light, and then push it down, it turns off. Or you got this button right here and it can do it 3 different ways and then turn off. So you can see it's dark right now and this reading light is nice and bright. So if I needed to do something in the dark, it would be really easy. Now this is the flashlight. You can see when I change it, it's nice and bright and super easy to use. So I plugged these in so I could just listen to some music, super easy to wear the headphones and use this little radio to listen to whatever I want. So it's super easy to plug in and charge your phone. It charged up really fast here, so it's easy to get power from this to your phone. So this weather radio is super nice. It's nice it comes in a nice little bag so you can store it really easily. So you have it with you whenever you need. So I recommend it to anyone that needs a little radio for emergencies or for camping, for hiking or traveling. It works really nice.